In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove black bars from your video in Shotcut. If you've ever brought a clip into your project and noticed those black bars on the sides or top and bottom, that's usually caused by a mismatch between your video's aspect ratio and your project's resolution. The quickest way to make your video fill the frame in Shotcut is to scale it up slightly, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do that. Start by clicking your video clip right on the timeline so it's selected. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted. With the clip active, move to the Filters tab. If the panel isn't visible, you can open it from the top of the interface, but the Filters tab is where all the magic happens for this fix. Inside Filters, click the plus icon to add a new filter to your clip. In the list that appears, find the option called Size, Position, and Rotate and apply it. This filter lets you control how your clip sits inside the frame, including its scale. Once the filter is on, you can scale the video up until it fills the screen. You can drag the handles directly in the preview window or use the scaling control in the filter panel for a precise adjustment. As you increase the size, watch the edges of your frame. The black bars will disappear as the image expands. This method does crop the sides a little, which is normal and expected. Keep an eye on important details near the edges so you don't cut off anything essential. If needed, you can nudge the position slightly to keep your subject centered. I'll mute the audio here so you can clearly see the result without distractions. Muting doesn't change anything about the visual adjustment. It simply helps you focus on the frame while you fine-tune the scale. Now take a look at the preview. The video fills the frame and those black bars are gone. That's really all there is to it. This approach is ideal when you want a full frame look without changing your project settings. If your original footage has a very different aspect ratio, a little cropping is the trade-off for a clean edge-to-edge image. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.